Two birthday lavender vanillas. Two birthday lavender vanillas for you.
Good morning, guys. It's Saturday today. I just got done at the gym. My friend Antoni and I went and did the spin class. Right now I'm at a juicery about to go get some. I'm thinking of juice. I'm thinking of getting juice, but the first thing that I had in mind was to get a acai bowl because I didn't have any food at home to bring to work since I'm gonna go to work right after this. Work now. Sorry if I look shitty. Like I said earlier, I did come from the gym. So this is what I got from the juicery place. I didn't get the juice like I wanted to, but I got acai bowl. Oh my god, this thing. Got the acai bowl. It's pretty big. Go after if you eat everything.
I found it.
Good morning, guys. It's Mother's Day today. It's Sunday, and right now I'm with Liam. We're trying to build his Legos. Liam, you want to show them the Legos? What are you trying to build?
Crab.
Crab. Also cooking for Mother's Day. I know it's very different. Usually moms don't cook on Mother's Day, but I don't normally cook on a daily basis, so it's fine. We're gonna be doing Woodle Fight again, like the one that I had for my birthday. This is the cutest thing. Look at that.
The bones make you move. See you later, guys. See me in the next video.
I'm with Gressel right now, and we're about to take our finals for psychology and statistics. And she's trying to fix her stuff right behind the camera. We just ate, and I'll probably insert a clip of what we had. And then what else? I can't think of anything, but look at my pimple. It looks like I've been stung by a bee. I have another one right here. I think I'm about to get my period. So I'm going to show you guys how our setup looks like. So there's my camera. There's our camera, and there's Gressel. And this is what I got earlier. I got the taro because I already had I had the bang this morning before I worked out, and then I had a cold brew from Starbucks. So if I would have gotten another one, that would have been my third caffeine cup for the day. So I don't think I'm gonna do that. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a little bit. We just have to take our test. Bye.